Did you know that 92% of people who set New Year's resolutions never actually achieve them? Shocking, isn't it? Now, let's take a moment to really dive into that statistic. 92%. That's even higher than the failure rate of finding a parking spot during Black Friday sales. And we all know how that feels. You circle the lot, hoping against hope, only to end up parking in a different postcode. It's a laugh, isn't it? But it's also a stark reminder of how we often set ourselves up for failure without even realizing it. Why is it that so many of us are brilliant at dreaming big, but often fall short when it comes to turning those dreams into reality? You see, the crux of the issue lies in one key area: goal setting. Or more specifically, how we often get it wrong. It's not just about making a wish when the clock strikes midnight on the 31st of December. It's about creating a well-thought-out plan, setting realistic expectations, and being prepared to put in the hard yards. But let's be honest, how many of us actually do that? We often decide on a whim that we're going to lose weight, learn a new language, or write a novel. Yet we don't put in place a strategy or consider the time, effort, and commitment it will require. We set ourselves these sky-high expectations, and when we can't meet them, we feel disheartened and give up. Let's take a common resolution: becoming a millionaire. Sounds great, right? But without a detailed plan, it's about as practical as expecting to find a parking spot right outside the mall on Black Friday. It's not impossible, but you'd have better luck spotting a unicorn. So if you've ever abandoned a New Year's resolution faster than a hot potato, don't fret, you're not alone. But remember, setting goals is an art that can be mastered. All it takes is a little bit of planning, a sprinkle of realism, and a whole lot of persistence. Now, let's not be part of that 92%, shall we? Let's figure out how to make our goals stick like glue on paper. How do we do that, you might ask? Well, it's as easy as SMART. Yes, you heard it right. The first ingredient is being specific. Instead of saying, "I want to get rich," say, "I want to increase my income by 30% by the end of this year." The more specific your goal is, the clearer your path becomes. It's like saying, "I want to become a unicorn." Well, okay, but what kind of unicorn? A rainbow one? A sparkly one? Specificity is key, my friends. Next, we have measurable. This is the part where you track your progress. Imagine trying to morph into a unicorn and then wondering how far you've come along. Do you have a horn yet? How sparkly are you now on a scale of 1 to 10? See, measurement helps. The third ingredient is achievable. This one's a reality check. While being a unicorn sounds fab, let's face it, the chances are slim. So, aim for something within reach. Instead of aiming to be the CEO overnight, how about aiming for a promotion first? Then, we have relevant. Your goal should align with your broader life objectives. If you're allergic to sparkles, becoming a sparkly unicorn might not be the best idea. Same goes for your professional goals. Finally, it's time-bound. Set a deadline. Without one, your goal is just a dream. It's like saying, "I'll become a unicorn someday." No, we need a unicorn date, a deadline. So there you have it, the recipe for a successful goal. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It's time to make your goals smart, not just sparkly. And remember, as much as we'd love to become a unicorn, it's probably not the most achievable goal out there. But wait, there's more. It's not just about setting the right goals. It's about the secret sauce that makes it all come together. Just like a master chef who meticulously combines ingredients to create a culinary masterpiece, achieving goals requires a similar blend of crucial elements. And no, we're not talking about a sprinkle of magic fairy dust or a dose of overpriced motivational seminars. We're talking about motivation, persistence, and resilience. Think about it. You've got your goals, which are essentially your ingredients. They're fresh, they're exciting, and they're brimming with potential. But what good are these ingredients if they're just left sitting on the kitchen counter? They need to be transformed, cooked, and brought to life. That's where motivation comes into play. It's the flame that sets your ingredients, or rather your goals, into motion. It's the spark that ignites the process, the initial burst of energy that gets the ball rolling. But remember, a flame alone can't cook a meal. It needs to be sustained, nurtured, and carefully controlled. Enter persistence. If motivation is the flame, then persistence is the steady hand that keeps the flame alive. It's the relentless drive that keeps you pushing forward, even when the going gets tough, even when you'd much rather hit the snooze button and call it a day. Without persistence, the flame of motivation quickly fizzles out, leaving your goals half-baked and unfulfilled. But what about those times when things don't go according to plan? When you've carefully followed the recipe, yet your meal, your goal, still seems out of reach. That's when resilience comes into the picture. It's the ability to adapt, to bounce back, and to keep striving toward your goals, no matter the obstacles that stand in your way. It's the secret ingredient that gives your goals their flavor, their zest, their appeal. So, there you have it. The secret sauce to achieving goals isn't so secret after all. It's a blend of motivation, persistence, and resilience. It's about having the right goals, sure, but it's also about the journey, the process, the cooking that makes those goals worthwhile. So, remember, you're the chef of your life. Make your goals delicious. All right, folks, we've covered a lot today. From being part of the 92% club to becoming master chefs of our lives. So let's take a moment to look back at the smorgasbord of wisdom we've dished out. Remember when we started off talking about the unexpected truth about goals? We discovered that a whopping 92% of people don't achieve their New Year's resolutions. That's like going to a party and being the only one in the room not wearing a party hat. But hey, who needs a party hat when you've got a chef's hat, right? Then, we moved on to the ingredients of a successful goal. We learned that a goal without a plan is just a wish. It's like trying to bake a cake without a recipe. You might end up with a cake all right, but it's not likely to win any baking contests. So we broke down the perfect recipe for goal setting: specificity, measurability, attainability, relevance, and time-bound. That's smart, folks. And that's how you bake a goal to perfection. Next, we dished out the secret sauce to achieving goals: the power of consistency and perseverance. You see, achieving a goal is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about putting in the effort day in and day out. It's like kneading dough. The more you work it, the better it gets. So keep kneading, keep working towards your goal, and soon you'll have a loaf of success. We've cooked up quite a feast today, haven't we? But remember, the art of goal setting doesn't stop here. It's a continuous process, a journey. And the best part is, you're the chef. You're the one in control of your life's menu. So keep experimenting, keep cooking, keep achieving. And hey, if you've enjoyed this video, don't be a stranger. Hit that subscribe button and join our little corner of the internet, where we turn dreams into reality, one goal at a time.